I start with an elongated oval and then I draw the sides, followed by a curve on top. After that, I draw an oblong shape in the middle and then 3 more on either side that are shorter in height. I then finish my base and fix the size of my beginning shape as it seems too big right now. Once everything is in place, I ink it all in. There are tons of different kinds of shells, but I figured I'd start with the easiest one first. And if you're interested, I have a list of all my frequently used supplies in the description. Once I'm done with inking, I take 3 coral pink colors, one that's dark, one that's lighter, and a third that's even lighter. And I move from dark to light and create a blending pattern on each panel of the seashell. I also have alcohol marker blending tutorials on my channel further explaining my blending process. The trick is to make sure you're coloring while the previous color is still fresh, hence why I do each panel one at a time in order to get a good and steady blending effect. So if this tutorial helped you out, then leave a like. And of course, if you have a suggestion for what you'd like to see me do a tutorial for next, then leave a comment.